So today is going to be a collab. Finally got it out. This is my second take. I'm doing a collab with the beautiful, lovely, talented Miss Alxcerose. Y'all need to go check out her channel. She does a lot of reviews. She does tutorials. And if there is anything that you're wondering about buying and want to see a review, it is bound to be on her channel, and I will link it in the description box below. So go see her and tell her I sent you, and go subscribe to her. She is a really beautiful and talented girl. Today we decided to do a challenge. We wanted to do a makeup challenge. So today we decided to mix our highlighters together and do the mixed highlighter challenge. So if you want to see that, just keep watching. Everybody, how are my Glow Tarts doing today? I hope everybody's well, and for those of you that are new, my name is Mandy. Welcome to my channel. I'm so glad y'all stopped to join us. And again, I am doing this collab with Miss Alxcerose, so go check her out. Tell her I sent you. Today, I mixed all of my highlighters together. Now, I did just do my powdered highlighters because if I would have mixed in the liquid, I just feel like that kind of defeats the purpose because the liquid highlighters are already so intense. So I decided just to do the powdered. Now, I might do another challenge video where I mix together all of my liquid highlighters. That should be interesting. But of course, you know that's going to come out intense because I haven't picked up a liquid highlighter yet that is not loud. So anyways, I do believe there was over 20, maybe 30 highlighters mixed into this. And I just used an empty compact from NYC. This has been empty for a while, so I just decided to wash that out and put it in there. Now, mine didn't have that much in it, but I didn't want to scrape too much of every product, so I did scrape just a little because, after all, this is going to get thrown away, not used again. And it did come out, I'm going to say that's like a rose gold tone, and it does look like it's a little bit darker than the highlighters that I have. Now, I am light skinned, so most of my highlighters are very light, so I don't know how this come out this dark, but we're about to see what it does. So let's go ahead and get started. To scrape a bunch of each one of these highlighters and then break them down and put the alcohol to it and just make a regular highlighter, but I feel like I would just toss it after that. So I did just leave it in loose powder form, and that's how we're going to use it today. I'm kind of scared to go in here, guys, really honestly, but we're going to go ahead and try it out and see what it does. And again, it does look like it's really dark, but we will find out. Okay, first off, I'm going to go ahead and tell y'all I see big chunks of glitter. I don't like the big chunky glitter highlighters. It just gets everywhere. It's all over your face. It don't seem to stay in one place. So I do see a lot of big chunk glitter in here, or chunky glitter in here. Other than that, I think it's a pretty color. It don't look like it's as dark as what it looks like in the pan. But that glitter, though, it's a lot of glitter, guys. Let's put another layer on just to see. I mean, I do think it's an alright glitter. Now, it is... Oh, man. Now, of course, it is showing all of my texture, but you got to think we mixed 20, 30 highlighters together. But other than that, I'm not really mad at it. I think I would wear this if it wasn't what I know it is. So we're going to go ahead and put this everywhere else, because I'm not going to go with highlighter on one of my cheekbones and not the rest. And I did double it up on that side. And I always highlight above my brow bone. Guys, it's not as bad as what I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be like really horrible. And it looks really good on the nose. And we'll get that Cupid's bow. Guys, it's not really as bad as what I thought it was going to be. Let's blend it in a little bit. Of course, it isn't. It is really showing texture, but the color doesn't look at all like what it looks like in the pan, because it looks dark in the pan, but it is actually really light. It looks like a highlighter that I would use every day, except for the glitter. If it didn't have that much glitter in it, I would definitely wear it again. But as of right now, I'd wear this in public. I don't see no problem with it. Besides the glitter, and of course, you know, longer in the day it gets, that glitter is going to fall off, and it's just going to leave that sheen. But it does look like an icy champagne color to me. Now, y'all might be seeing something different, totally different on camera. I don't know. Let me know what you see. So put that down in the comment section, what color it looks like to you, if you could even see it at all. You know, it does look like a really good highlighter. Other than the glitter, that's the only thing bugging me, is the glitter in that. Another thing, if you're wondering why I'm wearing the same shirt, it's because I've done 2 videos in one day. So this eye look is something that I would never wear, but I'm pretty sure the other video is going to go out first. So fair warning. And another thing, when I went to go mix the glitter, I mean, this is how I felt. Like, it really triggered me when I was going in and scraping at my highlighters like that, because I'm one of those people, I try to put my makeup up, I try not to hurt it, because let's just face it, I'm broke, I can't afford that much makeup, so I like to keep what I have at least in good standards. The highlighter, after all, it isn't that bad. And like I said, I might do another video where I mix the liquid highlighters and see how that turns out. That is it for this video, and this is the finished look. I don't know how good y'all can see it on camera, like I said. And again, go see Alxcerose. She is a beautiful girl, and you need to subscribe to her, because she shows reviews like it ain't nobody's business. She has just got about everything reviewed on her channel. So go check her out. She is down in the description box, and tell her I sent you. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel and become part of my Glow Tart family. We would love to have you. And I love you all, and I'll see you next video. Bye. I sent you, and I love you all. Nope. But no.